Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to share with you all how I do my Chinese chicken. Right, we have our whole chicken I cut in half and then we're going to season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, 5 spice, a little bit of Vetsin, some sesame oil, salt, black pepper and dark soy. We're going to season it and allow the chicken to marinate and then we will come back. So we're going to start with some black pepper. Some salt. Salt to taste. We could always add some salt after. Sesame oil. Some Vetsin. 2 tablespoons. Allspice, 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder, 2 tablespoons. Onion powder, 2 tablespoons. And dark soy. We're going to mix, try and get the seasonings under the skin. To have all the meat, marinate all in there. And then we leave, allow to marinate, and then we come back. So now that our chicken has marinated, we're going to fry to get that nice crisp on the skin. And then finish roasting in the oven. So remember to kind of drain off all the liquids first. So we don't need the oil to bubble up too much. And we drop in the fryer. Nice. Add the other one. And we allow just the skin to get that nice crust on it first. We take out, we put on a tray, and then we finish roasting the oven. Right, so now that our chicken has gotten the nice crisp on the skin, after we have finished deep fry them, we place them on this baking tray with a cooling rack, and we're going to finish them off in the oven, set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until chicken is cooked. I prefer to do it this way versus leaving the chicken to fry to finish cook in the oil, because I think that you need to pay more attention to it in the fryer versus, putting it finish, just getting the skin crisp on the outside and finishing in the oven. So we're going to finish in the oven, bake at 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes.